Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a super delicious and healthy dessert recipe that is perfect for iftar. You won't believe that it's made with suji. It's that delicious. Yes, we are making creamy and refreshing suji frozen dessert and I promise you will love it. So let's get started. First, take a pan and pour in half a liter of milk. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you don't like too sweet, add less amount of sugar. Now add 4 tablespoons of semolina or suji or rava. Mix everything well. Let it boil until it thickens. See, this is a perfect thickness we need. Now turn off the flame and let it cool completely. Once the mixture has cooled down, transfer it into a container and freeze it for 3 to 4 hours. While it's freezing, let's prepare our fruits. I'm using some apples and bananas. You can add any fruits you like. Along with that, I'm adding pomegranate, raisins, chopped cashews and chopped almonds. Mix everything well and keep them aside. Now our semolina has frozen for 3 to 4 hours. Let's take it out and transfer into a blender. Add 100 grams of condensed milk. If you don't like too sweet, add less. Blend everything into a smooth and creamy texture. Now add this creamy blend into the mixed fruit and combine everything well. And that's it. Our delicious and healthy suji frozen dessert is ready. It's super creamy, refreshing and perfect for iftar. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment how you liked it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.